Unraveling the Mystery. Yawning Grave, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase in the English language, yawning grave. It's a phrase that might sound a bit mysterious at first, but it's quite rich in meaning and imagery. Let's explore what it means and how it's used in English. The phrase, yawning grave, is a metaphorical expression. A grave is where someone is buried after they die, and yawning, in this context, means wide open. So, a yawning grave suggests an open or inviting grave. It's often used to convey a sense of impending doom or the inevitability of death. This phrase is particularly popular in literary contexts. Authors might use yawning grave to create a mood of suspense or to foreshadow a character's demise. It evokes a vivid image of an open grave, waiting for its next occupant, which can be quite powerful in storytelling. Beyond its literal meaning, yawning grave can also have a figurative application. It can be used to describe a situation that seems inevitably harmful or disastrous, almost as if it's luring someone towards a negative outcome. It's a way of saying that something bad is almost certain to happen. While it's a bit dramatic, you might hear yawning grave used in everyday language to describe situations that feel unavoidably bad. For example, someone might say, taking that risky job felt like walking towards a yawning grave, to express their apprehension about a dangerous or uncertain situation. So, there you have it. Yawning grave is a phrase rich in meaning and imagery, often used to describe something that is ominously inviting or inescapably dangerous. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you appreciate the depth and creativity of the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.